Now I'm going to discuss with you another kind of writ, which is writ of prohibition. Now let's discuss meanings of the writ of prohibition. My dear students, as per Black's Law Dictionary, it is an extraordinary writ issued by an appellate court to prevent a lower court from exceeding its jurisdiction or to prevent a non-judicial officer or entity from exercising a power. Dear students, writ of prohibition is an original remedial writ as old as common law itself. The writ is so ancient that forms of it are given in Glenville, the first book of English law written in 1189. My dear students, prohibition is the converse of a writ of mandamus in the mandatory form, as the writ of prohibition is issued to prevent a court from doing something which it has no power to do. Dear students, a writ of prohibition is an order directing an inferior tribunal to refrain from continuing with a proceeding therein on the ground that the proceeding is without or in excess of jurisdiction or contrary to the laws of the lands, and the proceeding may be without jurisdiction if it contravene some enactment or some principles of common law. Now I'm going to discuss with you grounds on which writ of prohibition may be issued. पहली ground जो है, that is want of jurisdiction. Dear students, the writ of prohibition lies only when it is intended to restrain a court or tribunal from assuming a jurisdiction which it does not possess. The writ, as a matter of fact, lies not only for excess of jurisdiction, but also for the contravention of some statute or principles of common law. A statutory functionary acting mala fide or in a partial and unjust or apprehensive manner is amenable to the writ of jurisdiction of the High Court. Dear students, a writ of prohibition is justified only where there is an unlawful assumption of jurisdiction as distinguished from an erroneous and improper exercise of it. Now let's discuss violation of principle of natural justice and writ of prohibition. Dear students, a writ of prohibition may be issued when it is found that the action was in violation of the principle of natural justice. The procedure adopted without issuing a show cause notice was held to be against all principles and canons of justice, fair play, and equity. Dear students, according to the Constitution of Pakistan 1973, a writ of prohibition may be issued against any person performing within the territorial jurisdiction of the court functions in connection with the affairs of the federation or province or a local authority.